Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Mailchimp and want to export your custom email templates as HTML files, you're in just the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to save your Mailchimp templates as HTML, which means you can reuse them elsewhere, share them with colleagues, or just archive your designs for safekeeping. Let's get started and make sure you feel confident every step of the way. To kick things off, go ahead and open up Mailchimp in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now take a moment to find the main menu, usually along the left-hand side. From here, you'll want to look for the section called Content. This is basically the library where all your design assets like images, files, and of course templates are stored. Now click on Content. Inside this section, you'll see a variety of options, but what we want is email templates. Think of this area as your personal toolbox for email campaigns. All the templates you've created or modified over time live here, ready to be used again whenever you need them. Take a look through your list of templates until you spot the one you want to export. If you have a lot, don't be afraid to use the search bar or filter tools to narrow things down. This can save you some scrolling, especially if you design campaigns regularly. Once you've found the template, keep your eyes out for a small drop-down arrow next to it. This little arrow is your gateway to extra options. It might look unassuming, but it opens up a world of possibilities. Go ahead and click that drop-down arrow. As soon as you do, you'll see a menu with a few different actions. Look for Export as HTML and select it. This is super helpful if, for example, you want to use the design in another email service provider, back up your work, or hand it off to a developer for customization. When you click to export, you'll see an important message pop up, letting you know that if you ever import this particular HTML file back into Mailchimp, you won't be able to add, edit, or remove any of the drag-and-drop content blocks. What that means is, once exported, the design is essentially set in stone from a drag-and-drop perspective, so just be sure your template is fully polished and final before you export it. If you need to make changes later, it's much easier in the drag-and-drop editor, not in the raw HTML. Don't worry if this sounds a little technical, just think of it like baking a cake. Once it's baked, you can't take out the eggs. Ready to download, just click the button labeled Export Template. This might take a moment, especially if your template is detailed or contains a lot of images. The file will then be saved to your computer, usually in your Downloads folder as an HTML file. And that's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to export your email templates from Mailchimp as HTML files. It's quick, it's easy, and it opens up a lot of flexibility for your email designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave any questions you might have down in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.